Hello friends, in this video we will going to see the different pharma current affairs of the week, so let's start. FDA panel recommends approval of first nasal spray to combat severe allergy attacks. US Food and Drug Administration voted to recommend approval of Neffy. The first epinephrine nasal spray for severe allergic reactions. Although most of the pulmonary allergy Drugs Advisory Committee members supported the spray for adults, 16:6, and children, 17:5. Key questions linger about whether more data is needed from its maker, ARS Pharmaceuticals. Next news. New drug approvals. Elfabrio Company, Protelix Biotherapeutics. Date of approval, May 9, 2023. Treatment for Fabry disease. Elfabrio is a hydrolytic lysosomal, neutral glycosphingolipid, specific enzyme indicated for the treatment of adults with confirmed Fabry disease. FDA approves Elfabrio for the treatment of adult patients with Fabry disease. Fabry disease is an X-linked inherited neurological disorder. Next news. Sun Pharma halts shipments from a plant with a troubled history. In a fresh sign of quality control problems in the Indian pharmaceutical industry, the Food and Drug Administration decided that a Sun Pharmaceuticals facility failed to comply with a legal mandate to correct serious shortcomings. As a result, the company has halted exports from the plant to the United States. Next news. Cases of drug-resistant fungal ringworm spotted in New York City. The first U.S. cases of drug-resistant ringworm infection have been reported in New York City. The cases of 2 women with highly contagious skin infections caused by Trichophyton indotini. Are reported in issue of the U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention's Morbidity and Mortality Weekly Report. The fungus causes widespread, very itchy, and very hard to treat tinea infections. Next news. WHO declares global Mpox outbreak over. Cases of Mpox around the world have dropped dramatically, prompting the World Health Organization, WHO, to declare an end to the global health emergency. The virus is no longer an acute concern. WHO Director General Drive Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus said during a media briefing. An expert committee determined that a dramatic decline in cases, about 90% fewer in the past 3 months, meant the emergency was over. Next news. FDA approves first drug meant to ease Alzheimer's-linked agitation, Rexulti. A medication to treat agitation in Alzheimer's patients now has approval from the U.S. Food and Drug Administration. The FDA gave supplemental approval to Otsuka Pharmaceutical Company Limited and Lundbeck for Rexulti brexpiprazole oral tablets. Rexulti is the first FDA-approved treatment for these symptoms. Next news. NHS in Scotland receives Pfizer's migraine treatment. Patients living with the debilitating impacts of migraine attacks will be able to access Vyadura. The Scottish Medicines Consortium, SMC, has accepted Pfizer's Vyadura for treating acute migraine with or without aura, under specific circumstances. Patients who have not had adequate pain relief with non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, NSAIDs, and paracetamol can also qualify. Vyadura, also known as rimegapant, is an oral lyophilizate and is the first calcitonin gene-related peptide, CGRP, receptor antagonist migraine therapy to be accepted by the SMC. Next news. Cambridge University receives first synthesized DNA from Evonetix. Evonetix, a company focused on semiconductor chip technology, has revealed that synthesized DNA has been delivered to the Department of Chemical Engineering and Biotechnology at the University of Cambridge. The transfer marks the beginning of a vital development stage as the company expands its range of synthesized DNA generated on its desktop platform. The DNA was initially delivered to Dr. Jenny Malloy, co-chair of the Engineering Biology Interdisciplinary Research Center at the university. Thank you for watching this video. If you like my video, please like it and subscribe my channel.